Huwag niyo akong padara ng kalukuhan ninyo dahil alam na alam ko yon. So, nag-practice kayo 1 taon, 2 taon. Ako, RTC judge, isabay sa inyo, walang sala, tungkol sa SALN. Bigyan ko ng isapang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng isapang buhay at imbestigahin ko lahat.
Can
Isa-isa.
we answer the questions,
No.
however, the way we feel
No.
it should be answered?
You should answer according to the rules of court as determined by the Senate acting as an impeachment court. That is the rule here. The Constitution allows the Senate to promulgate its own rules of procedure. That has been repeated in this instance, and this is the end of this colloquy. How dare you?
No, but okay, I'm curious. You cannot control your temper?
Huh?
No, I'm really curious about this. During the impeachment trial, I anchored it for ANC, so I was seeing you every day. Are you the kind of person you cannot control your temper at all?
I can if I want to.
If you want to.
Yeah.
But if you don't want to,
I don't.
it explodes.
Of course. Any person, that can happen to any person.
Yeah, that's called rage, though.
No, it's not called rage. It's called righteous indignation.
Okay.
Nakikita mong batas, yun ang hanap buhay mo. Ginaganyan, binabastos ng tao, tapos wala kang kakibo-kibo. For evil to triumph, it is sufficient that good men shall do nothing. Kaya kasalanan ko, nagdaldal ako. Ang gusto nila, manahimik ako at makisama. Yun ang problema. Marami silang tinatanong ngayon. Ba't hindi nyo tinanong sa akin yan noon pa? Bakit ngayon lang na binrim ako ang 2 million pesos?
Okay.
Huwag kahirap-hirap ninyo. Ay, sus Maria Josep, where are your neurons? Where are your synapses? Your brains are very, very dark. You know, when you use our brains, the electrical impulses from one neuron jumps to another neuron. That is called a brain activity or a brain wave. Ngayon, kung may brain wave ka, lahat ng utak mo, kumikislap. It's entirely lighted. Ngayon, kung madilim na madilim ang utak mo, yung neurons are not working. You are flatline.